All right, you'll remember that Caesar was talking about the two classes of society who are important among the Gauls, and those were the equites, the knights, and the druids. All right. So if you remember, you had Caesar telling you that the equites, the knights, were of great honor among the Gauls, or were held in great honor among the Gauls. Then note here you begin with nam. Remember, nam is explanatory of something which comes before. So here, nam is going to explain why they are in magno honore. And it says nam fere, almost, right? So they almost constituent de omnibus controversiis, publicis privatisque. So they constituent de, and here they decide, in other words, they arbitrate or make judgments about omnibus controversiis, both the publicis and the privatis. And then you have a nicely developed tricolon which ends up having a little flourish here at the end. We have si quod est admissum facinus, si caedes facta, si de hereditate. And then here what's not expressed is si, either another si clause for a fourth element, so si de finibus controversia est, or if you have si de hereditate aut de finibus controversia est, then you have idem de cernunt. Right, now idem here means the same men, in other words, the equites, the knights. Right, so the same people de cernunt, they, in other words, pass their judgment, and then praemia poenasque constituunt, and they constituunt the praemia and the poenas. Note that those two things are contrasted, praemia and poenas. Then you'll note here that with si qui, this is short for si aliqui. You'll remember that aliquis is all, and all of its forms are shortened after si, nisi, ne, and num. So if qui aut privatus aut populus eorum decreto non stetit, so in other words, if anyone, whether he be privatus or populus eorum decreto non stetit, does not has not stood by the decree eorum, right, of them, right, sacrificiis interdicunt. And then here this is an ablative of separation, right, because they're being interdicted or prevented from the sacrificiis. And then haec poena, that is, it refers to the interdiction here. Haec poena apud eos est gravissima. And apud eos just means the Gauls in general, right, is the gravest punishment among them.